Hey y'all, it's Deb and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you my Walmart grocery haul for the week and how I'm going to feed my family for about $140 for the entire week. That includes every meal that we're going to eat. Let me share a few things with you before we get started. First of all, I live in a high-cost city. We're in South Florida, hence it's December and I'm burning up. And that means that our groceries are going to cost probably more than where you are. There are no discount grocery stores where we are. The cheapest options that we have are Aldi and Walmart and Trader Joe's. Speaking of hot, I'm also 43 and perimenopausal, so I'm hot all the time anyway. Okay, so the other thing I was going to share with you, we have two teenage boys that are 6 feet tall. I'm 5'10", so that's why I'm doing this. They're 6 feet tall, 140 pounds. I'm essentially feeding 4 adults plus our almost teenage daughter. Our meals are going to look bigger, and I have to double most of our recipes just to have enough food to feed everybody. Okay, the last thing I'm going to share with you before we get started. Anytime you click on a video on YouTube where they're saying that they're feeding their family for $75 a week or their monthly grocery bill is $500, they're probably living in a very, very cheap area, or they have access to a fantastic discount grocery store, which that's awesome. That's great. Most of us don't have that. Or they are feeding a husband and a wife and maybe a baby and a toddler. Of course, they can feed their family a lot cheaper than the rest of us. So I'm hoping that the information that I share in my videos will help those of us whose families and environment look more like mine. I will give you a quick scan of everything that I got for $140, and then I will go through and tell you what I'm going to use everything for. With the potatoes and the kielbasa, I'm going to roast the potatoes, throw in the kielbasa, chop that up. Also chop up an onion and then sprinkle that with cheese. That's going to be one dinner. The pizza dough, pizza sauce, and 1 thing of ground beef will be for another night. The second package of ground beef will be for pasta. The bacon, I'm going to split that up into a couple of meals just to give some of those dishes some flavor. This package of chicken thighs, that's going to feed us 3 times. So one night will be chicken teriyaki served over rice with some of these veggies. And then 2 other nights, I'll probably do 1 meal in the Instant Pot and grill the rest of the chicken for salads for my husband and I. We only drink water, so I only need this amount of milk and this amount of oil for baking and cooking. Most of that's going to be waffles, pancakes, and muffins. I'll show you the muffins in a second. We have some cooked pulled pork in the fridge, so tonight we're going to have sandwiches with fruit and carrots. And then this is some of the produce. So my husband and I try to have a salad every day. So that's that. The fruit for this week is going to be the bananas, strawberries, and grapes. And often what I try to do is just buy what's on sale. So these are the muffins that I make. I've got a video on how to make these homemade. Super cheap, super easy. They are freezable. I'll post that below. The eggs and the sausage and the yogurt, that's going to be for our breakfast this week along with the muffins. And then I'll also make some pancakes and freeze those. For snacks, we will do chips with the queso. I don't like to buy this stuff, but the fruit in the gel is one of the only ways that one of my children will eat any fruit. I don't know what's up with that kid, but sometimes as a mom, you just got to do what you got to do. The granola bars, my kids like that, but I also like to break those up in my yogurt bowls, the Cheez-Its, and then I always get a package of chocolate chips because I use those in the muffins and the pancakes. So that's what I got for about $140. That'll feed us for the entire week. And that includes breakfast, lunches, and snacks and dinners.